Hi, we just got down here and I just found a ready blackberry. Now I was down here this morning. And
Is that why they're all gone? Oh! Is it ripe? Let's find more, because I need one.
Look down in there, there's more.
Here.
Oh. Oops, sorry.
Ooh. Not on the show, Dad.
Oh yeah, sorry. That's a half ripe one.
If you look
See
down
more?
in there, guys.
Shelby, can you pick me out some? Oh, look, Shelby. Get in there, pick me out some. I'm filming. I'm filming. Get some.
Where's mine? Got one.
You don't
Yeah.
Ew.
Delicious.
Okay, let's leave some for tomorrow. Let's go to the next bush.
No, you want to get the black one.
Yeah, you want to get them
More?
because they'll
Here,
fall.
There's some right there.
Oh, I found one.
Yeah, go down lower, Mike.
Lower, 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 lower.
Right
Take that
here,
one.
guys.
Take that one. Take that one. Want that
Ow.
one. Yeah, I just got pegged by one.
Found another one. Shelby, you want that one?
Oh, yummy.
Did Wyatt get one yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, look at all these red ones down here. There's one. Ooh, I see a couple juicy ones. But lots of thorns. Lots of thorns.
Okay, so we came to this next bush, and I'm not sure where they are, so I'm going to look at my mom and see if she knows where some are. Mom, where are some?
Over here is a ton.
Ooh, let's go. Let's go.
Here's some. I don't see many black on them. Actually, kind of.
Holy moly.
Oh, there's way more.
If I was a bear, this is where I'd eat. Whoa.
Good thing we have 3 protective dogs.
That's right.
2 don't even work.
Take that one. They do want that one.
Hey, Wyatt.
What?
I got one for you right here.
They do.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby.
All right.
I want that.
Hang on, Sissy's turn.
The electric fence.
Well, mine. Well, I want.
All right, well, we're going to keep walking.
Hey, is there a game show that comes up in here? No. It's all ours.
I just got a lead on some fresh blackberries down here.
Oh, look at this. Wyatt, is it delicious?
Ooh, I see one
Here,
that I'm going to get. Excuse me.
Wyatt, pick one for the camera and eat one
Oh, he kind of
for the show.
gave out. I think these might. He's kind of. Oh, come here. Hang on.
Look.
Hang on.
You guys have looked down for snakes, right?
Yeah.
Wait, let me back it up. Oh, look at those beautiful nails, too. Oh, there's a little red in those. It might be a little tart. You want me to have one and you have one?
You get the more red one.
I'll get the more red one.
Do you see what I'm holding?
Whoa!
You see this, Mike?
That's very, oh, a cluster. We've got a cluster, folks.
Woohoo! We're
Now-
going on
now
a trip to
the-
Wisconsin.
The best time to pick blackberries are when? Do you guys know? Right around the 4th of July, the 1st and 2nd week of July. So all these should be ripe. So we'll be getting back in time. Hopefully the deer haven't come and eaten them all.
Ooh, I see a big, juicy black one.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, there's one way in there.
Hey, you guys think we can make a blackberry cobbler?
That's what I was saying.
Gluten-free though. Whoop, whoop.
Take that one.
You got one?
That one.
This is where like the Mecca is in here. Mike.
The Mecca. Shelby, right above your head is a briar, so just be careful. You can have it.
No, don't make your belly.
Look at these
Look
guys.
to see if you reach on.
Holy smokes. Oh.
Can I see?
I feel like we need to come in from behind there and cut down all the extra stuff.
Yeah.
Ew.
There's stuff I can't even.
Let's
reach.
go find some more ripe blackberries.
Right, blackberries. Here we come.
Yeah.
Wyatt, did you find one? Is it delicious?
Yeah, one at a time. One. Whoa.
Okay.
Are they so good? Are they so good? Wyatt,
This?
Wyatt, are they so good? No.
Sour?
Well, We're a couple weeks early.
That one down.
No,
What is today? The 19th? We're about 2 weeks out, which makes sense.
But they're so good.
We are so good.
Did you get
Oh
some
my
good ones out of
goodness.
that? Were there good ones in that?
A lot.
Yeah.
You guys.
Maybe not good ones, but look
yet.
at these. Look at these.
Blueberries.
For days. Oh my gosh.
So
Those are wild blueberries.
Yeah, I think they're called Appalachian blueberries.
Appalachians.
Don't get the pink ones.
Yeah, they're too young, guys.
Oh, they are?
They're really good though.
Yeah, you want them to be a little bit.
Well,
Very small.
that prickle will get you.
I know, but they're so
Dude,
good.
those are delicious.
Yeah.
Are you sure those aren't ready?
Well, maybe.
Try
Maybe
it.
they're just small ones.
Hi, this.
They are. Yeah, make sure they're like dark purple.
Hey, do we want to pick some before we go? And we'll bring them up to Wisconsin and share them?
Yeah.
Wyatt, get these. See how dark purple?
Yeah.
And the Holler gives back.
Finally.
Finally. It's finally producing.
Mama.
Man.
Ooh.
Hey, we can do a whole road back there for them.
I found a golden spot this morning that I almost forgot about. Let's go.
Let's see it.
That way. Mama, I remember lips.
Touch the fence.
It will light you up.
So I saw this one the other day when I was weed eating, so I made sure not to
Oh,
take
good.
this down. There's another big one right back
Is there?
there.
Here's a little bitty right here.
Yep. See all the red?
I see you.
Look at all the blacks. It's just too far back in.